Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take the control of a meeting on Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account. And to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google Apps icon. You search for Meet and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser and then it will take you to the link of it, and of course then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to do is to join a meeting or create a meeting where you are a host. So basically, to take control, you will need to be the host of the meeting so you can take back the control of it. So basically, I'm going to start an instant meeting here, and let's suppose that you have just quitted the meeting because of a problem. So the control will be transferred to someone else. And here in this the list of people, as you can see, this is the meeting host, and basically this permission will be transferred to someone else if you have quitted the meeting. And to take back your control, all you will need to do is to rejoin the meeting if you have just quitted it, and you will just click on the person or this three action, and you will click on take control back or something like that, and you will have your host permission returning back to you. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.